Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. True Jamaican vibes, fire Reid. So right now I'm in cool Mandeville in the NCU area in Mandeville, Manchester. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. Yeah man, yes my people, they don't know. As you can see, Northern Caribbean University. So Mandeville, Manchester is a beautiful place. Right across, straight ahead, you'll see the Hilltop Hotel and Conference Center. So I'll be heading to Mandeville Town Center. So, and this road is a very speedy road because when school in progress at NCU, a lot of taxi guys. Got to be careful, so you're gonna take your time. Look at the view of Mandeville. Cool Mandeville, Manchester. So if you make a right turn, it will take you to Mayday, also to New England. So I am very close to Keep Left, and when it's rainy season in Mandeville, when you're at Keep Left, gotta be very careful because if a lot of rain fall there, it's a flood area, so you gotta be very careful when you're approaching Keep Left in Mandeville when it's a rainy season. So you gotta be very careful. So I'm gonna make a left turn. As it said, keep left. Very close to soldier camp. So you know they have a soldier base in Mandeville, so them call it soldier camp. I think it's soldier camp road. So on your right which would be the soldier camp. So we're having a bit of bumpy ride right now. So we are on Manchester Road. So on your left, you have the guardsman. So if you want your security at your home or your business place, you come to guardsman. One of the top security guard company in Jamaica, it's guardsman. So we are now in Mandeville town. Cool Mandeville, Manchester. So on the left, you would have the Santa Cruz bus park. If you make a right turn, it will take you back to Brigade Crescent and also to Hargreaves Avenue and also Captain Bakery. And you see most persons are wearing their masks, protecting themselves from the coronavirus. So this is what Mandeville look like. So we're having some traffic right now, so you're gonna sit down and relax and enjoy the ride. Just the vibes, true Jamaican vibes. So I'm gonna make a right turn. We'll take you back up to the uptown area. So you know, in Mandeville town, a lot of one way in Mandeville, so you gotta be very careful. So on your right, it's Mandeville Old Courthouse that was destroyed by fire. So thank you everyone, thank you for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid.